Alright, today we're gonna cast our baby's feet with this casting kit we bought off Amazon. First thing you need is a baby. And this is what it comes with. This is the kit it comes with. It comes with the molding powder, the casting stone powder. It comes with sandpaper, spoons to mix it with, also popsicle sticks, a paintbrush, paint, and it comes with these little tubs where you can put their feet in. Two things it does not come with that you need is a measuring cup and a mixing bowl, which everybody should have at their house somewhere. Your first step, put your water in that tub right there.
How much water?
2 cups. And then you're gonna get your molding powder ready. This one says baby foot. Buy also in the kit it also comes with where your hands or baby's feet, whatever you want to do, or even their butt. I don't know why you would want to do that, but some people do, I guess. Get you a pair of scissors, cut that top off there. You're gonna dump that in there. You start mixing it into the water. It will turn pink. You're gonna keep stirring it until it turns back to white from pink. And then it's ready to mold whatever you're molding. But see, it's turning pink on us. But you keep stirring until it turns white. Alright, see? I mixed it and now it's back to white. So we're pretty much ready to put her foot in there. Hopefully she's not fussy. We just fed her. So hopefully she don't freak out on us. Alright, I try to get her foot used to the water, so hopefully she don't freak out. But don't move, girl. Gosh. There you go. You're alright. Just hold your foot there. And she's not gonna do it. Oh. How are you supposed to do this? Well, it's been a disaster for her. We've tried just about 100 times trying to keep her foot still, but she does not like it. But I don't know, we might have got it this time. She's asleep after we got it in there. I don't know how good it's gonna come out. But I've literally ran through all the powders. We did do her hand once, and it's in pretty decent. I'll show it to you guys here in a minute. And then we'll see how this one works out. Basically, you'll let it sit until you can push your finger on there and no stuff will come off on your finger where it's hardened enough. Alright, go ahead and pull it out. I don't know how it's going to work out. Alright, we got our mold made. Our next step, take you a cup of water. Pour it in your mixing bowl. And then you got your casting powder. Cut it open, pour it in. Dump it in, mix it up. Mix it up, stir it. The thickness that you want is about like paint. The warmer it is, the quicker it will harden. It's starting to look about like paint. When you got it all mixed up, take you a couple spoonfuls, put it in the molding, coat the inside of the molding before you pour the rest in. Just pour a couple in there and shake it around. You want to coat the inside of it. And then when you got it coated up, fill it up. It ain't gonna be perfect, but seeing bubbles in there, you want to tap it. And that'll get rid of all your bubbles. So make sure the bubbles are gone. You're supposed to let it sit for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. And then you can pull the mold apart. Alright! Our mold is done. I'm gonna try to break this thing apart without breaking the foot. Uh-oh, I see toes. Oh, one of them's messed up. I think I can fix it though.
it could be easy.
And we got a foot! Somewhat.
Let me see it. It's a flat foot.
Alright, I got her all sanded down a little bit, made it look a little better. Top is a little messed up, but the underneath we'll put it in a frame, put it like that. This will make it a little pearl white color. Just throw some paint up on there, make it look a little better, make it shine. Alright, I got my foot painted, but the problem is I kind of dropped it and it wasn't hardened enough and the toe broke off of it. So, but yeah, we suck at life. But I will show you this. We did do a hand and it's come out pretty good. Not too bad. So, better than nothing. At least we got one good look hand. The foot, on the other hand, I don't know.
The foot on the other hand.
You know what I meant. Just in case, make sure you just let this thing sit overnight for your molds every time you mold something. Just to make sure it don't break. So we got one good hand and one broken toe foot. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. And this casting kit that we bought is in the link in the description below. Next time we'll try a little better, but she was squirming around like crazy and it just didn't work out too well. Alright, we'll catch you on the next video. Give this one a thumbs up if it helped you out any. Just don't make our mistakes.